Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most powerful herbal remedies, soursop tea. For centuries, this tropical plant has been used in traditional medicine, and now modern research is catching up. So, what makes soursop tea so special? Stay tuned, because you're about to find out how this simple cup of tea can offer natural healing benefits for your body. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of soursop tea and uncover the secrets behind its popularity. But before we continue, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative health videos. What is soursop tea? Soursop, also known as graviola or guanabana, is a tropical fruit found in the Caribbean, South America, Africa, and Asia. The tea is usually made from its leaves, which are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and natural plant compounds. Unlike sugary drinks or processed teas, soursop tea is a caffeine-free herbal option that nourishes your body while promoting relaxation. Key health benefits. Now that we've covered what soursop tea is, let's explore the incredible health benefits it has to offer. Boosts immunity. Soursop tea is a fantastic immune booster due to its high vitamin C content and abundance of antioxidants. Vitamin C helps strengthen the immune system, making it better at fighting off colds, infections, and diseases. The antioxidants in soursop leaves protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can harm cells and increase the risk of illness. By drinking soursop tea regularly, you can give your immune system an extra boost, helping you stay healthier during cold and flu season and beyond. Supports healthy digestion. Soursop tea may also support healthy digestion. The natural compounds in soursop leaves have a soothing effect on the digestive system, which can help ease indigestion, bloating, and even constipation. These compounds can help promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in maintaining digestive health. Promotes better sleep and relaxation. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your sleep and reduce stress, soursop tea might be just what you need. Traditionally, people have used soursop tea as a calming drink to help relax the mind and body before bedtime. The gentle sedative effects of soursop can help ease anxiety, allowing you to fall asleep more easily and enjoy a more restful night's sleep. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to various health problems, including joint pain and heart disease. Fortunately, soursop leaves contain compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. By reducing inflammation, soursop tea can help alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Potential cancer-fighting properties. While more research is needed, some early studies suggest that soursop extracts may have anti-cancer properties. The acetogenin compounds found in soursop leaves have shown the ability to slow the growth of cancer cells in laboratory studies. Many people turn to soursop tea as a natural way to support their overall wellness and potentially reduce their risk of developing certain cancers. How to make soursop tea. Now that you're aware of the amazing benefits of soursop tea, you might be wondering how to make it. It's surprisingly simple. Take 2 to 3 dried soursop leaves, rinse them thoroughly, and boil them in 2 cups of water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let the tea cool slightly, strain it, and then enjoy. For a more enjoyable flavor, you can add a little honey or lemon to your taste. Safety. While soursop tea has numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Drinking 1 to 2 cups per day is generally safe for most people. However, as with any herbal supplement, it's important to consult with your doctor if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications before adding soursop tea to your daily routine. Final thoughts. Soursop tea is a wonderful example of nature's healing power. This tropical plant has been used for centuries to promote health and well-being, and now modern science is beginning to uncover the secrets behind its traditional uses. From boosting the immune system to supporting healthy digestion, reducing inflammation, and even fighting cancer cells. Soursop tea offers a wide range of benefits for the body. Now you know what makes soursop tea so special. It's time to take a sip and experience the natural healing power of this incredible drink for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay informed about more health and wellness tips. Until next time, happy sipping and good health. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you want to get high-quality soursop leaves for your tea, check out the link in the comments section below.